Good afternoon, everyone. Firstly, I will give respect to all of senior Mong and say hello to all of you who attend to our Day or Day New Year today. My name is Sunanda. I basically come from Mong Township, Sian State, Myanmar. Currently, I live in Oxford at Oxford and study English. Before I came to UK, I used to be an assistant of Railong Seador, Padadasi Thamapipala at Railong Public Education School or Railong Parahita School for 2 years. So, in my presentation today, I will focus on about a little bit some of information about Railong Public Education School. So, number one, the brief history of the school. Number two, about students and education of RLBS. Number three, monthly expense. And the last one, number four, how can you support us? So, the location of the Railong Public Education School is located in Phia Phukota, Sian State, Myanmar. And the school is not too far from Sian State Buddhist University. In the picture as well, you can see but already past the picture, you can see the SPU as well. This school was set up in 2016. This school headed by Venerable Padadasi Thamapipala, Mahakanda Wachaka Pandita, and Dhammasuriya, and a graduate MA from Sri Lanka. So at RLBS, we have class for studying from grade 1 to grade 12, basic to higher matriculation education levels, and also in summer we also have the like the English class or Thai class and Chinese class as well. In 2023 to 2024 academic this year, taught by 41 teachers and totally 729 students. The background of the student, these students are from various backgrounds. Some children whose parents could not afford send them to the school due to unfortunate circumstances or situation, and some children are orphans. And the monthly expense, every month we spend 8 million just for 41 teacher salaries and 18 million just for daily meals and 1 million just for utilities and 1.5 million just for general. So totally in 1 month we spend 28.5 million just. Money expense is not exactly the same every month. Some month is more than this because of with the rising penetration, and the cost of another necessity is also increasing with the time. However, sometimes we also have the donor as well. And the last one is how can you support us? Our general donor can support us at any province-specific fund, like the number one educational endowment and food and nutrition fund, and number three healthcare endowment, and number four utility endowment, and number five general fund endowment, and the last one construction fund. Yet this is about short of information about Railong Public Education School. So in the future time, if you come to visit to Myanmar or in Chiang State or in SBU, we also welcome to all you to visit our school. Finally, from now on all the time, we wish you all the best. Happy Day New Year. Thank you.